Hello guys, what's up? It's me again, Jamjum Sepe. And for today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how to make the chicken bamya. Chicken bamya guys is a very well-known recipe here in Middle East. It is also known as an okra. Okay, it is known as an okra in the Philippines, a small okra. So here we call it the bamya. Okay, in this video, I will show you the step-by-step on how to cook bamya or the okra. So before that guys, please don't forget to watch this video from the start up to the end. And also, for those who have not yet subscribed on my channel, please subscribe. And thank you so much for all my subscribers out there. And don't forget to press the bell icon button so that be notified for all the videos that I'm gonna upload. So see you guys later, and we will now start to make our chicken bamya. Bye guys! Okay guys, now our chicken bamya is already finished, so we will taste it now. Delicious! So thank you so much for watching guys, and hope you like this chicken bamya of mine. Okay, and hope you will try this in your home. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you on my next video. Bye guys!
My heart is beating, I know the pieces. Which one is broken and one is fit? because I have seen them fall apart. I have no rules or part to play. I didn't have anything to say.